Black and white eh.
Manood pa rin po kayo ng Quezon, ha?
Exactly.
Malabas pa rin sa 200 cinemas, over 200 cinemas. And Sinisilip's 2025's Best Director is... Rodina Singh Dreamboy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Best Director for the first ever Sinisilip Film Festival, none other than his direct, Rodina Singh, for Team Dreamboy.
Yes, we have a group photo with all our presenters and Direct Rodina. Please join Direct Rodina. Congratulations again to Dreamboy.
Sorry, hindi po talaga kami expecting. I'll be very, very honest. Coming into this festival, I have lost my faith to be actually given a chance to do a film again. I thought this industry wasn't meant for girls like me. And then I'm really, really grateful for a Sinisilip for actually giving us the opportunity to bring this story to life. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what we have, what we can bring to the table, regardless of so many difficulties. My God, magkukwento lang po kami, 4 na sinihan, 1 linggo, 2 milyong piso. Pero bawal daw kaming ipalabas. I share this award to everybody who have believed in what Dreamboy can bring to life. To Tony Labrusca for believing in what we can do. Tony halos libre na kasi siya na gumastos ng transformation niya. And thank you for saying yes. Kahit na hindi ka pa nakakabasa ng script. To EJ, I share this award with you kasi since the first draft, alam mo na yung script kung saan siya pupunta. To Mix, may award ka na. To Arnex, our editor, to Malay, to Chippy, to Silas, to Iman, to Tonetta Daone for actually being one of my, hindi niya kino-consider na mentor ko siya, but I learned so much from you. I share this award to Moira Lang as well. Thank you for inspiring that trans people like us can actually take the screen and write our own story. Siguro, sorry ang haba talaga, pero hindi kami token. Hindi po kami token. At this award remind everybody that sa isang sining malaya, ang mga kwentong tulad ni Dreamboy at ang lahat ng ginawa ng mga direktor sa kauna-una ang Sinisilip. Hindi lang dapat ito sinisilip. Dapat pinapanalo natin. Thank you po.
Once again, let's